one way to set yourself apart from your competition, especially when you are selling a certain good or a product or a service that is very common and other people are doing the same thing, would be to give your service or product a unique name and description. And I'm going to show you how you can do that effortlessly using KazilyAI. So all you need to do is jump to KazilyAI.com. Once you're here, you can create your account. If you don't have an account, you have a free trial and test it out. Go to AI Writers. Then among the different templates, I want you to pick Product Name Generator. Once you pick it, now let's say you have a bakery and you make cakes and you want to have a unique special name for your vanilla cake. So you would put as the seed word here, vanilla cake, then the description, maybe this is a special vanilla cake for couples. Then down here, you want to see, UK, English, the number of results. Pick 3 so that it can give you 3 different names. And then creativity, good. When it comes to the tone, let's make it secretive and see what it will give us. And then you say generate. Voila, there you go. It has 3 different names that it has generated. Whispers of Vanilla. The other one, Entano, Embrace. The other one, Soulful Soulful Rendezveras. That's quite a difficult name for me to pronounce. But anyway, there you go. Pick one and then say, can you create a description so that when you post it on a catalog, like on WhatsApp catalog or any other e-commerce catalog, what would be a catchy description for that? So you go back to the AI Writers, pick product description, then put in the name of the product. In this case, I'll just put in Whispers of Vanilla and then add the name cake so that it can know it's a cake. And a short description, I would say, is a vanilla cake for special occasions for couples. And then I would say I want 2 results. I want to maintain the same tone of secretive. And then I say generate. And voila, we have 2 descriptions. We have the first one, very interesting. The second one, read, pick the one that works best for you. And you have a product description. Now let's take it to a notch higher and say, if you want to get some ideas on what we can post on different social media platforms so that we can attract people to buy this cake. So I go back to AI Writers, select the template for social media post ideas. Then I can paste the topic for my post to be, I can pick the cake, Eternal Embrace cake, a delicate vanilla sage enveloped in a captivating embrace of flavors, a secretive indulgence for the intimate celebration. And when I say that, I want it to give me about 500 words in length. Then I want the creativity to be good, tone, let it be excited. And voila, here we go. It is already generating for me ideas for Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, all that. Now, let's take it even a notch higher and say, we want to generate an image of our cake. So you go back and pick AI image. On the AI image generator, just type in Eternal Embrace cake. Then select advanced setting. You can say the resolution of the image. Let's say art style to be 3D rendering. Want it to be lighting style to be ambient, mood to be cheerful, and we say generate. And within a few seconds, where we go, we have generated an image for a cake that you can post it now on Instagram, Facebook, wherever you get your customers. And also you can use this image in your catalog to display the kind of cake you can do. So why not get started? Head over to KazilyAI.com to register. Click the link in the description of this video, and I'm looking forward to assisting you grow your business using KazilyAI. And until my next video, out.